This is a video about using the ToolCrete 3-jet sprayers in the single jet setting. The 3-jet sprayers are the most versatile sprayers because of their ability to work with a wide range of compressors, and they can be used with 1, 2, or 3 jets. Here you can see the 3-jet wall gun with the 2 rubber stoppers and 2 blank brass jets installed. This group chose to spray with this setup because of their smaller 110-volt electric compressor they had on hand. While their compressor said it was a 5 horsepower, that actually was peak horsepower and not sustaining horsepower. You can see the rubber stoppers sticking out here, and again here. You can see the compressor they used here in the background. This was the first time this group used their sprayer, and they picked it up real fast. Another option with small compressors is to connect 2 together or add a second air tank to give more sustaining power. I hope this video was helpful. Please get in touch with any questions or to discuss your project.